This is David Stolfo coming to you from Buford, Georgia, MarineMax. Hope you're doing great today. Just looking forward to showing you our 2019 model Sea Ray SLX 280. This particular boat is powered by a big block Mercury 8.2 liter mag V8 engine with 380 horsepower. The Bravo 3 outdrive makes the boat run really great, nice and powerful. If you can join me, you'll notice that the boat has the white with the gray interior. You'll notice it has the sea deck gray throughout. This one does have the automated swim step back there on the swim platform with the gray sea deck on that as well. You've got your white sports tower, is really great with your bimini top. You've got black canvas on this boat. You have a gunmetal gray with black and a little bit of white on the boat, so it's a really nice color combination for this vessel. You've got the VesselView with the twin screens, the Simrads. Got the nice seating up here. You got your enclosed head here with your vacuum flush head. That's really great. Got your bolster seats, of course. Beautiful bow seating area, nice and deep, powerful and roomy boat. It's a 2019 Sea Ray 280 SLX. Would love to see you out here in Buford, Georgia, and maybe let you take it for a ride if you think it's what you want. You can reach us at 770-614-6968. My name is David Stolfo, and we look forward to helping you. Have a great day.